Hello, welcome to a new class. We continue this week with day 3. This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Acosta. So we are going to work in our science book. So go to page 372. Now you see it. Liquid water can change to a gas without boiling. Look at the drawings of a puddle. What changes do you see? Water can evaporate at temperatures below 100 degrees Celsius. Active reading. As you read these 2 pages, draw a line under each main idea. Liquid water does not have to boil to become a gas. Please underline that. When you sweat on a hot day, the water on your skin, what happens? Disappears. The liquid water turns into a gas. This is called evaporation. Water can evaporate from other places such as a puddle. The sun's heat makes the water in the puddle change to water vapor, which goes into the air. The puddle gets smaller as the water disappears. Most of the liquid water has changed to a gas. So, let's see the next page, 373. A gas can change back to a liquid. Please underline that. Okay? This is called condensation. Yes, condensation. Water vapor condenses as it cools and loses energy. Water vapor in the air condenses on a cold car window. The outside of a cold soft drink can become wet on a hot day. The grass on a cool morning may have dew on it. These are all condensation. What happened to water vapor in this girl's warm breath as she breathed on the cold window? What happens? Okay. Yes, it condenses into tiny water droplets. Okay? When she's breathing, yes, the water vapor condenses into what? Into tiny water droplets. So, please finish this page 373 and you are ready to do the brain check. On Monday, early by 8 o'clock, you will have the video where you can feel or you can watch to fill it out, the brain check. The brain check is the homework for next week, so you can watch the video on Monday. So thank you for your attention and keep up the good work. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.